of animal waste? Is it important? Can it give benefit to us as a human? Especially something that we really need nowadays? Energy perhaps? Okay, first of all, I will explain what is meaning of animal waste. Animal waste is actually come from livestock, poultry, and dairy production. It can be a manure from farm animals or by the byproduct of meat processing such as blood, bone, skin, or hair. For your information, animal waste contain organic matter, disease-causing organism, and odor. The smell is very strong because some people doesn't like it. Okay. It also contains bacteria and nitrate that can contaminate your drinking water, and finally it will cause a human illness. So right now we go through more about animal waste. So let's. Can you see this? This is example of the manure, and it come from the cow. Can happen when the animal was recorded is usually we sold it as a fertilizer or simply spread into the agricultural land. But with the world with the high technology, the interaction of factor environmental control on odor and pollution have been introduced, which mean some form of the waste management which provided further incentives for biogas and biomass to form energy conversion.
There are basically two forms of animal waste that produce energy, which are animal dung cakes and biogas. So today I will talk about these advantages of biogas, animal waste in form of dung cakes, and technology availability. Dung cakes are burned as fuel for some reason, as a cooking material, but it is inefficient for some reason. Of dung cake can cause a lot of air pollution because of the smoke produced, and it can produce low calorific value and low heat energy, and it is inefficient for cooking. Technology systems used in current production of biogas are not efficient. There are no new technologies to supply for larger population, and many governments are not willing to invest in this sector, despite of all the current biogas plant available now.
Animal waste is a renewable thing that always being produced by an animal. The renewable energy produced from several anaerobic always being produced by an animal. The renewable energy produced from several anaerobic diesel. Some farm even produce excess energy and able to sell the energy and make a profit, as example in Vermont Farm at Canada. The cow waste produce 250 to 300 kilowatts of electricity daily, that enough to power 300 to 350 homes, according to the utility. According to Patrick Sertas, director at American Biogas Council, a process to produce electricity begin with farm apparatus that makes the slurry outgrades biogas comprised of about 600% methane and 40% carbon dioxide. The gas is then collected, treated, and piped to a gas use device. Biogas production generates methane gas from anaerobic bacterial digestion of animal waste. Biogas is produced by the breakdown of organic waste by bacteria without oxygen. So that's called anaerobic digestion. So what is biogas? Biogas is a mixture of methane, which is CH4 with 60%, and the carbon dioxide CO2 with 40%. nutrients and renewable energy. However, most of the waste is collected in the lagoon or left to decompose in the open, which is pose a significant environmental hazard. The air pollution emitted from the manure include methane, nitrous oxide, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, volatile organic compound, and any particulate matter when can cause serious environmental concern and health problems. Biogas production that generates from the methane gas can be found, or can we take the example from country India. You guys already get all information about animal waste? Not yet. You will forget about another one, which is how animal waste convert into energy. Okay. Actually, animal manure is the resource to generate renewable energy and heated, then creating the natural byproduct of methane gas. The biogas is the fuel used to power the generation and create the electricity. But how the biogas is produced? What is the advantage of the biogas? First is a steady energy supply for the town or factory. Then it provide a methane for the automotive. Besides that, it will reduce the organic waste. And the first important thing is it's an eco-friendly operation. Then, what about the fertilizer? The advantage of fertilizer is contain all nutrients that are suitable for the plant growth. Then, contain organic material and is available for the free cost.
Cows burp and fart. A lot. And it's impacting climate change. Each of Earth's 1.6 billion cows releases about 100 kilograms of methane every year. This might not sound like much, but methane's effect on the climate is 23 times more than carbon dioxide. Methane traps in the heat of the sun and makes the whole planet warmer. So each cow's emissions are about the same as burning 1,000 liters of petrol every year. Cows are mostly responsible for 18% of the total greenhouse gases worldwide. That's more than the entire transportation sector put together. There's good news though. Methane only lasts for about 10 years in the atmosphere, unlike CO2, which can stick around for hundreds of years. So if we can find a way to get cows to produce less methane, then we would see a faster drop in global greenhouse gases. So should we eliminate the bovine threat? Not so fast. A Canadian farmer may have found the key. Joe Dorgan started feeding his cows seaweed as a way of cutting costs on his farm. He teamed up with a local researcher and found that his cows produced 20% less methane on the seaweed diet. Together, they tried other types of seaweed and found that a certain red seaweed called Asparagopsis taxiformis reduced the methane to nearly zero. This is a huge win in the battle against climate change. And if farmers start feeding their cows with a mixture of this seaweed, it would be like taking hundreds of millions of cars off the roads.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh.
Legs. Make our
environment,
sustain